So hi doctor, this is the introduction part. Shangri-La Hotels and Resort is a global luxury hospitality brand which is founded in 1971 and headquartered in Hong Kong with operation across Asia, Europe, Middle East, North America and also Australia. So this hotel is part of the GHOUK Group. It is renowned for hospitality from the heart, emphasizing service excellence, guest satisfaction and also community engagement. So the groups offer luxury rooms and suites, fine dining, wellness and spa facilities, convention and event spaces, recreational amenities, and curated local experiences. So the hotels are strategically located in major cities and also tourist destinations, providing guests with a blend of comfort and also local culture. Given its global presence and high-touch services, legal risk management is also essential. Shangri-La ensures compliance with law, mitigates risk, and also protect its financial, reputational, and operational integrity while delivering safe, high-quality experiences to all guests. That's all. Thank you.
Fire legal risk. The first one is tort and negligence. The case took place in Shangri-La Hotel in KL, where the customer slept on the wet floor by the hotel hair club and got hurt. The court blamed the five-star hotel for not placing the warning sign. Second case is Makati Shangri-La Hotel versus Ellen Joe Harper. So Malaysian lawyer used this case to set a five-star security standard because the court said the luxurious hotel must provide a better safety to their guests. And this is employment law issue. The first case is in National Union of Hotel, Bar and Restaurant, where the Shangri-La tried to force new term on the restaurant Rasa Sayang to post renovation, but the federal court sided with the employees, where the quality agreement due to repositioning or rebranding. So the second case is about a female worker sent seductive message to her boss on Facebook and SMS, leading her to be fired by her boss. But the industrial court upheld it as a sexual annoyance that could harm the environment. The legal risk is licensing and regulator compliance, where there is a first case where a hotel challenged a rule banning deduction of minimum wage or 10% service charge. This case shows the risk of mixing service with basic salary duty. One can take place in Crystal Crown Hotel and Resort Shangri-La, where the hotel cannot use service charge for minimum wages, where they belong to employees. Shangri-La and the hotel had to quickly audit the payroll to comply.
Hi everyone, I'm going to continue this presentation. I'm going to continue about the legal risks about innkeeper right and liabilities. So the case is a Best and Hendrik versus Shangri-La Hotel Limited, SGHC 232. So the risk is the liability for loss of guest property, and the explanation for this case is after a priceless diamond ring vanished from her suite, a visitor filed a lawsuit. So so this is case highlight the high burden of proof hotels have when guests claim property loss, even though the hotels was not found liable in this particular case. So this is the risk. And then the second is the insurance and compensation. So this regarding to the case Shangri-La Hotel KL Berhad versus Director General of Inland Revenue. So the risk is a recognition of insurance as a business necessary. So you can see in this reported case, the Malaysian tax authorities challenge the hotel decision to deduct group term life insurance premium for its employee. So you can see this case confirmed that for a five-star organization, maintaining robust insurance in a vital risk management tool required to mitigate the legal and financial liabilities associated with employee welfare and mortality.
Next, for legal analysis, this analysis focuses on 5 main areas: tort and negligence, employment law, licensing, innkeeper rights, and insurance. First, tort and negligence. Hotels have a duty of care to ensure the safety of guests and employees. If injuries occur due to poor maintenance or staff negligence, the hotel may be held liable and required to pay compensation. Second, employment law issue. Hotel must comply with Malaysian employment law, especially regarding fair dismissal. Unlawful termination can result in reinstatement, bad wage, or compensation for employees. Third, licensing and regulatory compliance. Hotel must follow minimum wage and labor regulation. Failure to comply may lead to fine, wage area, and reputational damage. Next, legal is innkeeper rights and liabilities. Hotels have limited liability for guest property under the Innkeepers Act 1952. However, liability increases if loss is caused by staff negligence or poor security. And lastly is insurance and compensation. Insurance help hotel manage risk and compensation claim. Failure to comply with policy term can lead to high financial losses. In conclusion, proper legal compliance help hotel reduce legal risk and maintain a safe and fair working environment.
Good morning to my doctor and fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Abdul Rahim and my MATI number is 299160. Today I will briefly explain the mitigation plans for legal risks faced by Shangri-La hotels and resorts. First is theft and negligence. The hotel must ensure guest safety by conducting regular inspections, placing warning signs during cleaning, and training staff to identify hazards early. Second is employment law. Any changes to employment terms must be discussed with employees or unions. Clear HR policies and fair disciplinary procedures help prevent disputes and unfair dismissal claims. Third is minimum wage compliance. Hotels must pay statutory minimum wages separately from service charge, supporting by proper payroll systems and regular audits. Okay, next is innkeeper liability. By displaying statutory notice, encouraging the use of room safes, and maintaining strong security, the hotel can limit liability for lost guest property. And finally, insurance is essential. Adequate insurance coverage protects the hotel from high compensation claims and financial losses. So, overall, these measures help reduce legal risk and ensure safe and compliant hotel operations.
To summarize our group discussions, the hospitality and tourism industry in Malaysia is governed by strict laws and regulations. Hotel must follow statutory law, common law, and court decisions to ensure safe and fair operations. From the legal risk assessment of Shangri-La hotels that we have observed it is clear that 5-star hotels may face many legal risks. This includes negligence and occupiers liability, employee and labor disputes, wage and regulatory compliance, guest safety responsibilities, and insurance-related issues. In Malaysia, courts expect higher standards from luxury hotels because guests expect better safety, security, and professional services. If hotel fails to meet these standards, they may face legal action, financial penalties, and damage to their reputations. Therefore, legal risk management should not only be done after problems occurs. It should be planned and earlier managed properly as part of hotel operations. By regularly reviewing legal risks, following by the law, and maintaining good internal control, hospitality provider can operate safely, responsibly, and competitively in Malaysia. That's all from our group. Thank you.